Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech with Cybereye. Okay, real talk. Does your cursor look a little bold? I mean that little arrow that has been doing the same job day in and day out for years? It deserves a glow up, right? And that's exactly what we're gonna do today. Using a free tool called Sweezy Cursor to turn this basic pointer into something that actually reflects your style. Stick around, because by the end of this video, your desktop will look cooler than ever. So, what is Sweezy Cursor? Simply put, it's a lightweight app that lets you completely change the look and feel of your mouse cursor on Windows. Why would you even want this? Well, if you're a streamer, a creator, or just someone who loves a customized setup, this is a super easy way to add some unique flair. It's like giving your digital workspace a fresh coat of paint. The steps are simple and clear. Let's get into the video. Open your browser. You can open any browser, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Chrome, it doesn't matter. Type in Sweezy Cursor. This is the website. Type this and hit enter. This is the website, sweezycursors.com. Open it, wait for some time, and here we go. There are many options: aesthetic, just ignore this. Aesthetic, animals, anime, basic, cars, anything. As I love cars, I'll get into this. And hold on, and here you see BMW, Bugatti, and all the cars are there. Let's, get into the basic one. Click on Vivo, and all the cursors will come up. And choose anything you want. I'll just go with this. So once you got the cursor you want, just click on this download and complete back. Click on complete back. It's a zip file, wait for some time and it will get downloaded. Once the download is over, head to the downloads folder. Mine is in here, the downloads one. Here it is, the purple electric animation. Right click on it, click on right click and click on extract all. Select the appropriate location and click on extract. As I've already extracted it, here it is. Double click on it and here it is. Now close everything. Press on logo key, Windows logo key. Type in mouse. Head to the mouse settings. Scroll down and click on additional mouse settings. Here are the mouse properties. Head to the pointer options. Here is the motion, the speed, you can control thing. Mine is a bit slow, so I'll just make it fast. Click on apply, go to the pointers, and here it is where you can customize. Click on normal select and browse. Browse to the extracted file. Where mine is in downloads. Here it is. And in this, click on this one, which is my default cursor like that. Click on it, click on open, and don't be in a rush, okay? Just scroll down until you find this. Click on the location, link select, browse, and select this one. Click on open and do the same for the location select, person select. And once all set, click on apply and wait, and here you go. Just close everything, and here it is. See? The mouse changed with the animation. Now, just go to anything. I'll just type, go to the same website, Sweezy Cursor, and you saw the cursor changed. That's what. So we got to the end. Is Sweezy Cursor worth it? If you want to add a splash of personality to your PC without spending a dime, it's an absolute yes. It's simple, fun, and completely reversible. If you enjoyed this quick guide and learned something new, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe to Tech with Cyberite for more simple tech tips every week. Now I'm curious, what kind of cursor style would you rock? A lightsaber, a paintbrush, or something totally wild? Let me know your ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.